Saxonnex, the home of the super ski area.
So this is the ski area of Mont Saxonnex.
Mont Saxonnex.
Which has 5 lifts and 15 kilometers of piste. So a ski area very much aimed at local people, I think. How much was it for a pass?
€18 for a day pass.
And it's open from mid-December to the end of February. So pretty short season. But they had a picnic table at the top, so that was good. Oh yeah, looking straight down on a ski toe. That was a toe lift, drag lift, wasn't it?
It looks almost like it's been drawn on. It's so surreal. It looks like those satellite photos of like secret military installations.
Yeah, it looks weird.
I assure you it's not.
A ski toe in summer.
A ski toe in summer.
Yeah. But this is going down. We're going down the ski toe.
Yeah.
Or the drag lift channel to see the only place in this ski area that you can get something to eat. It's a little hut. So this is very different from your Val Thorens. And Cervinias and whatever. So there's the food outlet. It was closed, unfortunately, on the day we went up.
I imagine it's a lot busier in the winter.
Oh, Lac Bénit.
Lac Bénit.
Lac Bénit. There's Lac Bénit.
Or Lac Bénit.
I don't know.
Lac Bénit.
This is at 1,452 metres above sea level. A beautiful green alpine lake.
Yep, which we walked up to. It was deserted. The cafe was closed. Thanks, Google.
Yeah. Then to the right, we've got the cliffs of, I don't know, the Grand Bargy?
Something
or
like
the
that.
Petit Bargy. I don't know which is which, really.
We didn't start the walk from Saxonnex. It was a fair bit higher. And although nominally Saxonnex is the bottom of the ski system, there doesn't appear to be any lifts directly from Saxonnex onto the slopes. You have to drive up around to one of 2 points.
So this is the valley, well, I kind of want to call it of Morsulaz. So was Morsulaz the village at the bottom?
Morsulaz.
Or was it just the name of the chair? There's a chairlift.
I think it was the name of the village.
Okay, there's a chairlift somewhere ahead of us now, buried in the trees, that we walked by. Is that something? Yeah, so that's the kind of village in the road up to the kind of end of the valley, I suppose.
Yeah, you see it's fairly gradual up to the top there.
And that's where that's the other kind of place you can get up from in this little Mont Saxonnex ski area.
Yeah.
2 lifts up. There's only 5 lifts total. And this is the Aravis. So if you carry on directly from where we are, I think generally speaking, you'll hit La Cluse.
Right,
yes. And big ski stations like that.
Yeah.
Oh, and then if you see the mountain ahead right there, that's the first mountain of the Avre, and behind that is a flatland.
Yes.
And then this was just a bump. The mountain behind that was just a bump, and then the Jura are behind that.
Yeah.
So this is you can see the curve round to Geneva, essentially, on the left of the picture there.
Yeah, and you can see how it flattens out really quickly, because it's basically the edge of the Alps flattening out into the distance, away from the Alps.
And the Mole, quite clear there.
Yeah.
The Cluse conurbation.
Yeah.
And behind that, the Samoens Valley.
Yeah.
Samoens.
And behind that, the Porte du Soleil ski areas. Behind that, Lake Geneva.
So you can see almost 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, 4 ridges, heading back towards Geneva. From there you can see in all directions, particularly straight back down on Cluse. So that's Cluse.
Well, yeah.
Kind of. It's the Cluse conurbation.
That's right. That's what we decided to call it. The Cluse conurbation, including Marnaz. And Scionzier. I don't really know how you say that, I'm afraid. But yeah, like 3 or 4 towns. And, Bonneville kind of is part of it, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a big motorway running through the valley, and it connects all the things together. But that central area is really wide. It's very populated, factories, houses.
And it has the Avre river running through it, and the Giffre comes around the back and joins it.
Giffre.
Yep, and the Giffre is the river that leads, or comes from, Samoens.
Yeah, or from Sixt, right from
from Sixt even, yeah.
The bout de, what's it called? The bout du monde.
Bout du monde.
Heading right to Samoens and Chamonix.
Where the valley really, really narrows there, so you've got all that urban sprawl of Cluse, and then the road just goes through a tiny little gap